Hey, this is Tyler, and this is how the Activities tab works. First off, when you log in, you're going to see your normal pipeline here, and you will see a little tiny... okay, it's not catching that. I'm trying to center attention over here. Okay, so you will see a little tiny Activities arrow. You can click on that, and from there you can click on All Views, or Current View. Right now we don't have very many options there. You can view today, today plus overdue, tomorrow, this week, next month, or all. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and hit all. Okay, good, it didn't take that long. All activities and my activities. I do not have any activities, but if we go to all activities, we do have a few there. So, testing call, just say this says call Lucas. I'm going to go ahead and just click on it. Oh, I guess that brings you right to the loan. Alright, so there's what I was looking for. Okay, so the little pencil brings you to an edit page. You could add a note called 1220, left voicemail, will call again in 5 days. Then you could set your calendar for 5 days, and you can also set your times. And a little cool feature is you can add it to your Outlook calendar just by hitting this. It's going to create a download, and you can just click on that and import it right into your Outlook calendar. And then here, once you get a hold of the client or you hit your task or activity, you can just check that. You can always schedule a follow-up activity. We're going to go ahead and do yes. Testing, signing. You can add whatever notes you need there. You can also add an activity with email information or just a regular task. You can save it, and then it's going to show up there. And then you can also set the day and hour, but I believe we already went through that. So there's your activities pane. And yeah, it's pretty neat overall, because you can see the checklist. These are in a different video. You can see your tasks.